This is an independent review and demonstration of Phillips 5.5 watt LED indoor-outdoor globe G25 medium-base bulbs. I haven't accepted any money from the manufacturer to do this review.
I'm replacing existing 40-watt incandescent bulbs. The new LED bulbs are a replacement for 60-watt bulbs.
The existing incandescent 40-watt bulbs used 120 watts, and the new LED replacements will consume 16.5 watts. The light fixture is controlled by a Lutron dim and glow dimmer switch. The LEDs are on the right. They're 2700 lumens. When they're fully lit, the color is very comparable to the incandescents.
They have a 5-year warranty.
This concludes the demonstration and review. Thanks for watching.